Hi everyone, this is Satish and today I am here with a new set of RPA challenge. Let me first thank everyone who has submitted their response for RPA challenge 1 and 2. We have received good response in terms of number of submissions done by the different learners. They have submitted challenge in different tools, and today we are here with RPA Challenge 3, which is basically a part of RPA Challenge series, which will help you to prepare better for your upcoming RPA interviews. As I discussed in the previous RPA Challenge series, because the biggest challenge with the RPA learning tool is less availability of the number of application where you can go and practice. Those who are working in some company, it's great for them because they have got test and sit environment there. They can practice by building the RPA bots, but those who are learning, it's really tough for them to get a different flavor of applications. So RPA bot challenge series is for those who are looking for different ways of interacting with the different applications and prepare better for the RPA challenge. Okay, so let's get started. What this challenge is all about and what we are gonna build today, right? So let me move to the next slide, which will talk about what is the bot we are going to build today. So the RP challenge that we are discussing today, which is RP challenge 3, we're gonna see with RP challenge 3. So RP challenge 3 is about downloading an image file and then extracting the text information from that image. All that you need to do is you need to go to the file manager, which is basically hosted on our application, and there from our table you need to download the image file. You need to perform OCR processing once the file has been downloaded, and you need to read the text that is written on the image, and at the end you need to prepare a report which will contain the image name along with the text that you have extracted from the image. So that's a pretty simple RPA challenge we're gonna build. But this RPA challenge have lot of good advantage in terms of learnings. So we're gonna learn three things. We are going to learn the file save and download operations, how it works, how to integrate and interact with the dialog boxes and download pop-ups. That's the learning target number one. Another learning target for this RPA challenge is use of different OCR activities. Here we have given you opportunity to try different OCR tools that are available in the market. You can use Microsoft, you can use Google Vision API, you can use Abby, you can use TestAct, you can use Test Extract, or whatsoever the tool that you can use those. We wanted you to give you a flavor where how can you use the OCR tool to perform such operations while you're learning the RPA tool. So that's the agenda. That's the second learning target for this RPA challenge. When talk about the third learning target for this RPA challenge, that's the use of external computer vision API. Some of you might use OCR which are included in a UI path, or some of you might use the OCR which are inbuilt with the Blue Prism tool. But I would really expect you guys to go and try out Microsoft Computer Vision API or Google Computer Vision API to understand their working, because those are much better in terms of processing with images and a PDF, and that will help you to understand between the working of the cloud variant and the internal variant which is supported and given by the tool. So that's the learning agenda number 3. So we are looking for 3 learning targets while solving this RPA challenge. Let's move back to the next slide, which talks about what exact step that you need to perform. So we need to perform 5 steps. Those are pretty simple. The first thing that you need to go is you need to go to the challenge system. You are already aware about the website, which is challenge.rpabotsworld.com, and there you need to log in using the given credential at the login page. You need to navigate to the page where all the images are kept, and from there you need to read the image information given in the table. So you need to capture path of the image from the given table, and then you need to download the image file and save as into your local directory. While saving the image file, you need to ensure that you rename them using the system date. So say for example, you are downloading this file today, your file name should be renamed with image ID appended with today's date. Once the file has been saved, you need to perform OCR operation using the tool of your choice. So as I explained earlier, you should be able to use any tool of your choice. Make sure to try different operations and different options for the better performance and better result. And once the OCR operations are completed, you need to report the result back into Excel file, which contains the image along with the image details and the text information that you have read from image. So that's all about this RPA challenge. Let me quickly go to the system and show you what exactly you need to do. So this is the RPA challenge page, and once you are able to log in into this page, you will land up here, and this is the data table. I have removed all the images, but when you log in into the production, this is a local environment. So when you log in into the production, which is online, you will find lot many images are uploaded. So you need to read the image information from this particular table, and then you need to download the image file by performing right click and save as operations. So once you click there, you need to rename the file name here, and once the file is getting downloaded, you need to apply OCR, and then once the OCR has been applied and image text has been read, you need to report the result back into this Excel file, which will contains the ID, which is the image ID that you get from the portal, image path that is also listed, image name, you need to type the new name because you renamed it, and then the text extracted text which will be written on the image. So that's all about this challenge. Try out this RPA challenge. This is pretty simple, quick one, but you will learn many things that I have explained you earlier. So that's all for today. Happy automation. You are feel free to reach me if you have any challenges or if you need any help in terms of how you're gonna solve this problem. There is also a detailed article kept on our website which talks about how you can use different OCR tool. So please go and check that as well. Thanks for your time.